everyone. I'm Rika, the learning guide for the Electric Processing Center in the Electric Sequence Cafe. Today's learning topic is the electric sequence that controls forward and reverse motor operation. The position of the motor is determined by the limit switch, and then the timer shuts the motor down for a period of time. Depending on the time you set, the motor will operate in a forward direction. Depending on the on and off state of the limit switch, it will decide whether to operate in the opposite direction. First, let's start the electrical sequence of the various electrical equipment shown on the screen. Sequence connection is complete. An example of an electric sequence that operates a three-phase motor via the start and stop push buttons. Stop operation according to limit switch on and off. Perform simulation test with timer 2A to be setup time of 6 seconds, and flicker set to 2 seconds. Compare the sequence and results of each action.